then, you'll notice, most of our dogs not easy dog. So, ang nangyari kami naging walking billboard na tama na bigat ng easy dog from the very start. So, 20 years na kami gumagamit ng easy dog in a way. Pero kasi the last dog left a few years ago. So, after that, this is just the summary of the Easy Dog products that we have. So, gagawin na nakapala. Medyo pricey siya for a talent na aso. Pero, kung makakita ko sa inyo, ang unang namin gamit, ito pa. So, it's in here. These were the first Easy Dog products. Medyo trade na siya, medyo gulalo-lalo. But the thing is, it still works. 20 years, di ba? And if you notice, meron dito yung parang bungee cord, still works. I'm very shocked for this one. Alright? We were promoting harnesses before. Kasi yung mga dogs galing sa dog show o October chain. So, maglalabas kami ng adventure or parang bakal-bakal or yung ikot-ikot na yung ikot-ikot na to fun. We wanted to change yung parang ito yung boys dog show. Ito yung boys dog show. So, we were using harnesses. Sa isang event, yung namin nakita si Cherry, ito, she asked us to try it out, and then this is the harness. And believe it or not, it's still alive, and it is fun. Okay. And then, pagtapos ng harness na yun, dumabit yung fitted harness. Okay. Ito yung medyo walang pero, kita pa yung brand niya. Tapos ako?
No, it's okay.
Anyway, ilalabas ko na lang sa isang mga gamit ko. And then, this was like parang towards the last. It's like parang sa working dog sa gamit. Okay? Pero favorite kong tali talaga is the Dario. Ito yun. Kasi yung play ko siya. Tsaka meron siyang card. Maybe this is not rainbow actually. And then, yung mga hindi pa yung mga baguhan na, ito yung ating water bowl na binibenta ng Easy Dog. It's foldable. Tapos, ito pwede nyo i-attach sa mga leash or sa bag. And it's a bowl, wait lang. There you go. Bowl na ulit. And then, dati, yung mga cellphone sa akin maliliit. Tapos, kailangan itong dampot ng konting pupo ng aking dog. So, nangyari, yung sa cherry na cellphone holder. At saka, mayroon yung punta sa sulo para ang pupo. Nangyari, lahat din, naka-attach. So, yun, naka-attach sa sulo. So, Easy Dog is really a technical equipment, more or less. After the very beginning, very core na. There was a purpose for everything. And meron ako yung backpack ng mga dogs. Yung side pockets as well. At saka yung pinaka-favorite ko na nagamit namin so many times with floating device. This one. Sa beach. Alright, kasi I have golden retrievers. But anyway, I think my time is up. So I would like to take this opportunity and say thank you for inviting me and congratulations to the dog for your 20